Hello students, now today we are going to see question number 5 of exercise 2.6. Now part 1, it is 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. So in 2.5, suppose I see what is the whole number part, it is 25. It is a not whole number part, but if I remove decimal, what is the number? 25. If I remove decimal, what is the number here? It is 3. So I have done the calculation, 25 multiplied by 3, what is the answer? 75. Now so I am writing here now as 25 into 3 is 75, and there are two digits. Two digits become 1, 2. This 1 and 2. These are 2. 1 and 2. So I am writing 1 plus 1 also. 1 plus right to the decimal points in 2.5 and 0.3. 2.5 and 0.3. 1 here, 1 here. So you can see, therefore in answer also I need 2 decimal points. So in this actually there is no decimal point. So I need 2 decimals. So here 2 decimal digits will come. So here the answer will come 0.75. What is the answer? After decimal I want 2 digits. So here answer comes 0.75. What I mean to say, if there is a 1 digit after decimal here, 1 digit after decimal here, so answer will be combining both this 1 plus 1, 2. Will be having 2 digits after decimal and right of the decimal. Now next here, same way I am going to write here. So I have done the calculation 5 and 7 into 1. You can see multiplying with the 1 answer comes 10. The next part I am discussing with you now. As 517 multiplied by 1 is 517, and there are here also 2 digits, 1 plus 1, because 1 here, right to the decimal point in which number it is? 0.1 and 51.7. You can see here there 2 digits are there. 1 here, 1 here. So it is 2. So I am writing 1 plus 1. 2 digits. Therefore, or thus, in answer also it will come 2 digits will come after decimal. So the answer is actually 5 and 7. So I will write here 0.1 multiplied by 51.7 equal to, will come here now. I will write 5 and 7, and I want 2 digits after decimal. So it will come like this. 5.17 is the answer. What is the answer? 5.17 is the answer. I think it is clear to you. As I said here, I have done the calculation. If I remove the decimal here, what is this number? 1. If I remove decimal here, it is 517. So 517 multiplied by 1, what is the answer? 517. And there are 2 digits, 1 plus 1 right to the decimal point in 0.1 and 51.7. So thus 0.1 multiplied by 51.7 equal to 5.17. Let us see the third part. Come on, the third part. Now you can see, if I keep a finger over here, what is the answer? It is number is 2, and if I keep here, it is 3168. It means 3168. What is the number? 3168, and this is 2. So I have done the calculation. You can see the answer is 6336. But now we have to see the decimal point. So I will write the same format first as 2 multiplied by 3168 equal to 6336, and how many is here? And there are 2 digits, which one is here? 1 plus 1, wait, 1 here, 2 digits, 1 plus 1, write to the decimal points in, it is which number, 0.2 and 316, it is and 316.8. Thus in answer also we should have two decimal, after decimal there should have two digits. So I will write here 0.2 multiplied by 316.8 equal to, I will write first this answer as it is 6336, and after decimal I want two digits, so I will put a decimal over here, because you can see two digits are coming after decimal. So 63.36 is the answer. Let me explain once again to you. 0.2 multiplied by 316.8. The answer you can see the rough part here. And as there are two digits, it is 1 plus 1. You can see 1 here. Write to the decimal points in, it is 0.2 and 316.8. And you can see therefore thus, or 0.2 is equal to 316 multiplied by 8 is equal to 63.36. Stop here. Now let us see the next. Now same way you will write here the fourth part. So what I write here, you can see it is here, what is the number? 13, and this is 31. So you can see here I have done the calculation. 13 multiplied by 31 in the rough part. What is the answer? It is 403. What is the answer? It is 403. So I write here in the same format as 13 means, yes, 13 multiplied by 31 is equal to 403, and what will come here as 13 multiplied by 31 is equal to 403, and there are, as 1 minute, pause. There are two digits. You can see two digits, which one? Two digits, it is 1 plus 1. Right to the decimal, it is decimal point in which number, it is 1.3 and 3.1. So in the answer also I need two, after decimal I want two digits. So thus I will write here 1.3 multiplied by 3.1 equal to, what will come here? 403 first, right? Then after decimal I want two digits. So it becomes 4.03. What will come here? 4.03. Understood here? Next now, it is 0.5 multiplied by 0.05. So if I keep the finger over here on the decimal, what is the answer? It is the number is 5. And if I keep here again 5. So by then expression 5 into 5 is 25. So same format I am going to follow here as 5 into 5 equal to 25, and there are, now you can see here it is actually 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 digits. There are 3 digits. It is this form 1 plus 2. 3 digits. Write to the decimal points in which number it is 0.5 and 0.05. Thus, so in the answer also I want how many decimal points means after decimal how many will come? It will come 3. So 0.5 multiplied by 0.05. First I will write 25, but I want 3. You can see here, if I put decimal over here, how many will come? 1, 2. So I put 1 0 here and decimal will come over. So I write answer 0.025 is answer. What is the answer? 0.025 is answer. You can see 5 to 5 25, as there are 3 digits. It is 1 plus 2. Write to the decimal points in, it is in here in 0.5 and 0.05 plus 0.5 multiplied by 0.05 equal to 0.025. Now come on the next. So you can see here 107. It is actually 107, and if I count this number, it is 2. So what is the I done the calculation? 107 by multiplied by 2 is 214. So same format as 107 multiplied by 2 is equal to 214 is 214, and now there are how many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4. How many? 4 digits. It is 2 plus 2 form. 2 here, 2 here. 2 plus 2 form. It is 2. 2 plus 2 form. Right to the decimal points in which number it is? 1.07 and 0.02. You can see here it is 1.07 and 1.02. So it is 1.07, it is 2 here, 2 here. So therefore, or thus 1.07 multiplied by 0.02 equal to, I want how many? 4 decimals. So first I will write here 214. If I put decimal over here, you will get 1, 2, 3. But I want 4 here, so I will put here and decimal over here. So it becomes 0.0214 is the answer. What is the answer? 0.0214 is the answer. Over here now, so part 6 is over. Yes, now we are going to discuss exercise 2.6, question number 5, part 7. It is question number 5, part 7. What is the question? It is 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. If I put it on decimal, I put a finger over here. What is the number? It is 112. And here it is, suppose, what is the number? It is 15. What is the number? It is 15. So you can see if I multiply 112 by 15, what is the answer? It is 1680. Means 1680. Now we are going to write in the same format how we have done. So as 112 multiplied by 15 equal to 1680, and there are how many are there? 1, 2, 3. There are how many are there? So there are 3 digits. 3 digits. It is this format. 1 plus 2. There are 3 digits. Write to the decimal point. In which number it is? 11.2 and 0.15. You can see here it is 1 here and 1, 2. So 2 here. So you can see the right to the decimal points in 11.2, and so therefore thus in the answer also I need 3. So what is the answer will come here now? I write here 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. So you can see here 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. So I write the answer first here as it is 1680, and I want 3 digits after decimal. So you can see if I put over here, it is right. So what is the answer? 1.680 is the answer. What is the answer? 1.680. Let me explain once again to you this sum. The sum is given 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. So it comes as 11. It is here 112 multiplied by 15. So answer comes here 1680. So you can see, and there are 3 digits, 1 plus 2. So it write to the decimal points in 11.2 and 0.15. So answer comes thus 11.2 multiplied by 0.15 is equal to 1.680. Next, now you can see now here also same way. So you can see here what is the answer of multiplication. If I put a addition here, it is 1005, and here it is 105. 1005 multiplied by 105. What is the answer? You can see it is 5025. And sorry, the answer comes here. It is 1,05,525 is the answer. So I am going to write same way now as it is 1005 multiplied by 105 equal to 105,525, and there are, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. There are 4 digits, and in which way? It is 2 plus 2. Write to the decimal points in which number it is? 10.505, sorry, and it is and here. And 1.05. So in answer, how many I want? 4. Thus 10.05 multiplied by 1.05 equal to, first I will write this 105,525. How many I want? You can see 4. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put the decimal over here. So what is the answer? 10.5525 is the answer. I think it is clear to you. As you can see here, it is 1005 multiplied by 105. What is the answer? You can see the rough calculation I have done here. It is answer is 1,05,525 is the answer, and 4 digits are there right to the decimal points. So you can see the answer comes like this. Next, now same way, if I keep a finger over here, what is the answer? It is the number is, how much is the number? It is 10,101, and it is 1. So I have done calculation over here. You can see the answer is same. 10,101 is the answer. Now I am writing here for this same way as 101 multiplied by 1 equal to, same number will come multiplying by 1, and same way, and there are, how many are there? 4 digits. 4 digits. It is which way? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. There are 4 digits. 2 plus 2. 4 digits. Right to the decimal point. Right to the decimal points in 101.1 and 0.01. Thus, what will come here? 101.01 multiplied by 0.01 equal to First I will write the answer. You can see the answer is here. But now decimal we have to keep. I want after 4 digits. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 1.0101 is the answer. 1.0101 is the answer. So first it is 7th, 8th, 9th part I discussed over here. Now we will see the next part. Now you can see here the number is, what is the number here? Actually it is 10,001. What is the number? If I put a finger over here, what is the number? It is 10,001. So 10,001 multiplied by 11. What is the number here? It is 11. So you can see the calculation I have done over here, and the answer is, what is the answer comes here? It is 1,10,011 is the answer. Now you can see down here. So I am going to write the same format. So as 1001 multiplied by 11 equal to, what is the answer comes here? It is, and there are 4, you can see 1, 2, sorry, no, it is 4, not, it is 3. There are 3 digits. There are 3 digits, right, to the decimal points. Write your decimal point in, what is the number? 100.01 and 1.1. You can see 1, 2, here 3. Thus 100.01 multiplied by 1.1 equal to, what is the answer? You can see the answer first to write down. And how many I want? 3. So count 1, 2, 3. So it is the answer. Let me explain once again to you. You can see here the number I wrote here. This number is 10,001 and it is 11. 10,001 multiplied by 11. The answer is, what is the answer? 1,10,011. I have done the calculation. You can see the rough. Now, as you can see the answer now, and there are 3 digits. How 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Write the decimal points in. It is here 100.01 and 1.1, and